This is a killing challenge for white. So white must exploit this cutting point, but cutting here doesn't work because black can live very easily. So the move to try is right here. It's threatening to cut black, so black must connect here. And now black's eye space is pretty big, but its liberties on the outside is very tight. So white can kill black by playing at number 3. It's a very neat move. Now black must prevent number 3 from connecting back. So black will have to play something like this. If it plays here, then white can Atari, and this is already a dead shape for black, because this will be a bulky 5 shape eventually. A better move for black might be this, but it still doesn't work. White can just connect here, and black can come in. If white only reduces black's eye space this way, then number 10 can make a seki. This will be a seki shape. Black doesn't have any cutting points left, and whatever white plays here, this will be a bent 4 shape, a living shape for black. But because black's liberties on the outside are very tight, white can play this move. And now there's actually no way for black to capture the white stones inside. If black plays here, black can't really come in, white can capture. So this will be a real eye versus no eye situation, and black will be dead. And that is to say, if black has more liberties on the outside, this shape, 1, 3, 5, and 7, will actually be a living shape once black captures it. So this problem really depends on black having no extra liberties on the outside. Hope that makes sense. So the key to this problem, number 1, of course, is this first move, threatening to cut, but not really cutting, and playing at number 3 is also very important. Otherwise, black can occupy this 1, 2 point, and this will at least be a ko, right? It will be something like this. Black will live this way, or white can play something like this, and this will be a ko. So that's why number 3 here is very important, and because black has no extra liberties on the outside, white can make a real eye on the inside and kill black this way. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.